I'm fed up with my daughter.
Yeah?
Yep. I've been at what she's not going to do, and then she's screaming in my face and lunged at me, and of course I'm going to be aggressive back towards her.
She came in the bathroom and she started saying things that about me sleeping with her boyfriend.
Date, the 28th of August, 2024. Event, domestic battery investigation. Mother versus minor daughter. Location, residential. Address, jurisdiction, unidentified. Responding agency, not publicly confirmed at time of analysis.
Hello?
Hi.
Did you call or they called?
She called.
Okay. Do you live here? Are you?
Dad, I called.
Okay. And your mom?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to talk to her? See what she has to say? I'll talk to them.
I got the police called on me. Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Your name,
No, there's no Skittles in my eyes. You don't have to worry about that.
You're all good. You're all good.
I'm fed up with my daughter.
Yeah?
Yep. I've been asking her and I've been telling her and I've been telling her to do certain things and she's being unruly. And she told me this morning that she wasn't going to go to school and it just turned into a whole different ordeal. And I'm just fed up.
Anything else like happening or like just she didn't want to go to school?
Just in general, she's telling me what she's going to do. And she's already underneath the juvenile courts saying that she has to follow everything I say. And she's telling me what she's going to do and what she's not going to do. And then she's screaming in my face and lunged at me. And of course I'm going to be aggressive back towards her. It's not going to happen like that. I don't operate like that. I don't.
I got a phone call at 6:30 in the morning. Wake up to her screaming on the FaceTime. Tell her what happened.
I got up, well, she woke me up because my alarm didn't go off. She said she was going to take me to school. I got ready, everything was okay. While I was getting ready or whatever, she came in the bathroom and she started saying things about me sleeping with her boyfriend. And then after that, we came downstairs. She fist fought me, threw boiling water at me. And then
She threw boiling water at you?
Yes.
Did it get on you?
Yes, all over my shit.
Okay.
And then she hit me in my eye. I really can't see in my eye. It hurts.
How old are you?
17.
If she wants to be a big girl, let's see how big you are.
I understand.
Okay, and then what happened?
Huh?
Where did it start at?
What do you mean?
So when she came down, was it like a mutual fight or she started attacking you?
We were arguing still, and we came downstairs, like she was following. And then that's how everything started.
So did she, he actually, well, did you swing? Did she swing?
No, she hit first. She hit me in my head. She got my hair.
How many times did she hit you?
She hit me a good, couple times, 5 times in my head.
Okay. Did you hit her back then too,
Yes, I
defend
hit her
yourself?
back.
Okay.
Defend myself.
And then when did she get the boiling water?
She did it 10 minutes after, because I was on the phone with my dad.
So things calmed down and then she got boiling water.
A little bit.
They were still arguing. At this point, I was on the phone. They were still arguing. She was screaming. I'm telling her, quit arguing back with her, try to go outside.
You're just saying that she was arguing with you.
I woke her up this morning. She was getting ready, and me and my boyfriend was in the room. She was in the bathroom, brushing her teeth, getting ready for school. And me and him kind of got into it a little bit, had a little bit of an argument, and then she said something, was walking down the stairs that was ignorant towards me while I'm arguing with him. So automatically I'm going to be aggressive towards her with words. And then I followed her down the stairs, and she was still talking to me the way she was talking to me. We went into the kitchen, and she lunged at me, and we both kind of got into a physical altercation.
Yeah, so she lunged at you and she made physical contact when
We both made physical contact at the same time, because when she came after me, I was coming after her.
Okay.
She was screaming in my face, telling me that she hopes I you stupid bitch, and all kinds of stuff. So, yep.
So what happened?
She was telling me that she was having an argument with her boyfriend, and then her daughter came downstairs and then said something provocative towards her, which kind of set her off, and then they verbally argued, and then she claims that her daughter lunged at her, and then she lunged back, and they got into a mutual fight.
Who swung at who first?
She came towards me. She was in my face screaming, telling me that I hope I karma's a bitch. You're a stupid bitch, and stuff like that. So me and her were face-to-face contact, but she came in closer to me, so.
Okay. How'd she get water on her?
I threw the boiling pot of water on the floor, and it kind of splashed up against her.
Okay. Why'd you do that?
I threw the water because I have no clue. At that moment in time, I'm in a fit of rage. I'm not going to tell you, like, oh, I decided to throw the pot of water because it was convenient. I have no clue. I was in a fit of rage. I didn't physically throw it at her because I could definitely, I'm capable of doing
Was that after you guys got into a fight?
Yes. Because she said something else to me and triggered me, and I threw the water on the floor.
Okay. So you said originally you guys are arguing, you followed her down the stairs?
I did follow her down the stairs because
Okay.
she was talking to me about me ignorantly and with, I'm her mom, right? I think I'm her mom. Am I your mom?
Well, hang on, I'm talking to you here. So you followed her downstairs and you guys are arguing. What exactly happened then?
We were yelling at each other. Big argument.
Okay. Do me a favor, wait right here for me, okay? You just stay over here with me.
Officer Thornton, so can you tell me what happened today?
I went in my room and I kind of got into it. I was already getting into it. Me and my boyfriend's been getting into it, little arguments here and there. I said something to him, then I said something to her, and then she told me she wasn't going to go to school. Kind of like was getting mouthy with me. Walked down the stairs, me and her getting in an argument, a disagreement, whatever, and then we're kind of like face to face, and she kind of lunges at me and says, I hope you get what you deserve, da-da-da-da-da, and it instantly triggered me, and we kind of like got into it.
What do you mean got into it?
Like, she was throwing punches at me,
Okay.
and I was holding her by her hair, and she was like, I'm gonna you up, da-da-da-da-da-da, just, and
Did you hit her back? Or throw any punches
No,
at her?
I didn't throw no punches at her, but I did grab her by her hair, just so she couldn't, like, hit me. I'm not allow my kid to punch me in my face.
Okay. So she was punching you in the face.
She was attempting to.
Okay. Did she land any?
I have no clue.
You don't know-
Rage, anger,
Okay,
your
so you don't know
adrenaline's
if you didn't
rushing. I'm not
So-
sure. Do I have any marks?
Not that I see.
Right.
So, but
He probably took all of them, to be honest, because he was standing in between us.
you didn't throw
I
any
didn't
punches.
throw any punches.
How'd she get the mark on her eye?
The scratch on her face, probably when I grabbed her by her hair. I do have nails.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the only way I can think of that.
Doesn't really look like a scratch. It looks like a red mark, like she was hit.
She was crying, also. I definitely didn't punch my daughter in the face, I would tell you. Just like I told them that when she was talking to me after the altercation, there was water on the stove. I kind of tossed it on the ground. I'm not going to lie. If I hit her, I hit her. I'm not about to
So you threw the water on the ground.
Because once you make up a lie, you got to make up another lie.
So what? So all this started over her not wanting to go to school.
Kind of, yeah.
Is your boyfriend here?
No,
Can we
he's
talk
not
to
here.
him?
He's not here. He's not going to be here anymore.
Oh, you guys break up or
Oh,
something?
yes.
All right.
Yeah.
So he's not here. We can't talk to him. Okay.
No.
Okay.
We'll just have like you and Nate, you guys can go 13 or just when you go up to her, just tell her, for right now, just turn around for me, just place your hands behind your back and just put the cuffs on her quick and that's it. This is going to be 13. If you want to help him here.
Good to go?
Yep. All right, man, we're going to have you turn around, put your hands behind your back. Yep, stay right there. Yep, keep them there.
You got a warrant too.
Yep.
Looks like something with theft or something.
Yep, sure do.
We'll get all figured out here.
Like I said, we were arguing, and then I started crying, and then I was coming downstairs. I was saying stuff, but she was also, like, she was talking to me, though. Like, I was, and then I called my dad or whatever after, like, the fact that me and her got into a physical altercation, because she followed me downstairs into the kitchen, and her boyfriend came down there. Then she hit her boyfriend, and that's when she hit me. Like, she grabbed me by my head, and then she hit me in my head a good 5 times. And then after that, like I said, I called my dad, and he said he heard all it was screaming, and then that's when she threw water and stuff like that. And she didn't just like hit it on the floor like she said, she literally threw it. She picked it up and threw it.
Right now you're under arrest for a warrant too, and then we're figuring out what's going on here. What's funny?
Warrant, but I never got. Yeah, I got my stuff together. Got a job.
You can put it
Never
back
got
on
it.
the cars.
Come down and step in.
Did you want to talk to us about what happened? I know we already talked to you a little bit, but I'd like to ask you a little bit more.
Yeah, that's fine. We can talk.
Did you punch her at all in the face?
Not that I know of. I'm pretty sure I just held her by her hair.
Okay. Because she definitely got like hit in the face. Like she's got mark like inside of her eye, around her eye. I've been doing this for a while, and I see what people look like when they get punched. She definitely got hit in the face, and if you're saying she didn't get hit at all in the face, I'm just trying to figure out how her
that's what
eye
I'm saying. I'm
looks
not
like
understanding because I definitely used my left hand to grab her by her hair. So how would she get punched in the face? And all I see is a scratch on her face. And I know that her crying could make her eyes like that.
She clearly got hit in the face right here. So I'm just asking you how that happened.
I'm not sure.
Because I'd like to hear what happened, but if you're saying she didn't get hit in the face...
I'm telling you that I was enraged and me and her getting into a physical altercation. I'm not going to remember exactly what occurred, but I would tell you exactly what I remember.
Alright, I mean, I've been in fights. I remember exactly what happens during it and who gets hit
So
and
do you
where.
want me to agree with you and say that I punched her in the face? Because I don't think
that
that'd be right if I don't recall
Something happened where she got hit in the eye, and I'm just trying to figure that part out.
I know that he was standing in between us, and me and her, I remember her screaming in my face, and then her lunging at me, and both of us just go at each other in the kitchen. And I remember clearly grabbing her hair, and she's swinging at me, trying to uppercut me, and he's standing with his arm, trying to grab her arm, and up to block whatever she's throwing and whatever we're doing.
Where's he at?
He's not here.
Why did he leave?
Because I threw some stuff at him.
Oh. Alright. Give us a couple minutes here. Are you guys good? There's some guy with a knife over by this school we're going to go over to.
Okay.
I'll upload those pictures.
Yep, no problem. We're going to have to call CSB too.
Okay.
Hey, Ashley, you ever been in trouble before?
Yes.
You ever been arrested and convicted of domestic violence before?
No. Is that what I'm getting charged with?
Yes.
Oh my. Can I have a cigarette?
Unfortunately, I don't have any cigarettes.
Right, I get it. But she didn't hit her mom at all, though. Because I don't got any marks. It's fine. That's my life. May I ask why you asked about my children?
Oh, because you are being arrested. We do have to what's called a Rule 6, which Mariah is going to go to CSB when they figure out...
I'm not going to touch it. Oh, no, wait. Okay, so Mariah's going to go to CSB because she put herself there. Because she wanted to call Daddy to save her when he never has ever in life. That's fine. She's so special, I swear to God. If she would just listen to me and not be unruly, we would not be going through this. Just like last year, she did not go to school at all whatsoever, and I just let it go, just go to work. I went to work. Instead of arguing with my child or grounding her, taking her phone away from her, just let it go. And then this year, I told her it was going to be different because it's her senior year. Good job, Mom, huh? Your daughter lunges you in your face and your... Yep. Okay, sorry for interrupting you. Can you continue, please? Standing in my room, screaming at me, telling me all kinds of stuff. It's just been an ongoing thing, and I just been putting it off, and today she screamed in my face. That could be a reason why her blood vessel in her eye popped. The scratch on her face, I know my kid. She was crying and screaming, and her eyes were bugged out, screaming in her mother's face. So then, because of her doing that, the other kids are going to be involved with CSB too?
There's a good possibility.
Oh my God.
Self-defense. Doctrine pursuit forfeits the defense. A party who voluntarily follows a retreating individual into continued confrontation generally forfeits the right to claim self-defense. The subject admitted she followed the minor downstairs. That admission is legally dispositive on this point. Domestic battery, 3 required elements. First, intentional act. Second, offensive or harmful physical contact. Third, qualifying domestic relationship. All 3 elements are satisfied on the face of the subject's own statements. Retaliation and the imminence requirement. Retaliation does not constitute lawful self-defense. A response to verbal provocation, however, offensive, does not satisfy the imminence requirement for a justified use of force under any recognized American legal standard. Parental discipline privilege scope and absolute limits. The privilege covers reasonable and proportionate corrective force only. Courts uniformly hold it does not extend to mutual combat with a minor use of instrumentalities capable of causing serious bodily harm or disproportionate retaliation triggered by verbal provocation. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213-1983. Probable cause totality of circumstances. Standard. Probable cause is assessed on the aggregate weight of all available evidence, not on any single fact in isolation. Visible injury, consistent victim account, and subject admissions collectively satisfy this constitutional threshold. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Reasonableness of arrest decisions. The reasonableness of a law enforcement decision is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. The totality of evidence available to these officers supported the arrest. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. Custodial arrest authority. A full custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible when probable cause exists. An active, outstanding warrant simultaneously provides a second, fully independent constitutional basis for the detention. Dangerous instrumentality. Aggravated battery. Threshold battery committed with a dangerous instrument carries elevated penalties in most jurisdictions. Courts have classified hot liquids capable of causing burns as dangerous instrumentalities, potentially elevating the applicable charge from simple battery to aggravated battery. Duchesne v. Sugarman, 566. F. 2D 817. 2D CRR 1977. Mandatory CPS notification operative in all 50 states. Officers are designated mandatory reporters in every U.S. jurisdiction. Arrest of a primary caregiver with no responsible adult present triggers a legal obligation to notify Child Protective Services immediately. Emergency removal without prior judicial approval is constitutionally permissible when a child's immediate safety cannot be ensured. Lessons learned pursuit of a retreating party destroys self-defense claims. Parental authority does not license mutual combat or weapon use against a minor. Verbal provocation alone never justifies physical retaliation. One credible victim account plus physical evidence satisfies probable cause. Mandatory CPS removal upon caregiver arrest is a legal obligation, not a choice.